Welcome back into this new video, guys, of TechExpress. Today, let's check out, instead of deleting an account, let's see how we can deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. So, if you needed a break from the feed but not ready to say goodbye forever, deactivating your account is the way to go. So when you deactivated, your profile and photos disappear from Facebook, but you can actually keep it using Messenger to chat with your friends. So your data is safe and waiting for you. Let's see and how to pause your account and the new Meta Account Center. So to access Meta Account Center, what you want to do is to log in directly from a PC. You can do this directly from a mobile device, but I can recommend you to use a PC, which is much more faster and much more organized. So your data is safe and waiting for you, because the first thing is to look at how to pass your account into the new Meta Account Center. So I'm going to log in directly into my PC. Click into the profile menu into the top right corner and click for the option that says Setting and Privacy Settings. Once we are directly here, we wanted to focus into the left section where you go from Account Center. You can click into anywhere inside this box. Here we have all our profiles and our connected experience. Let's go for the option that says Personal Details. Here we have the contact information, the birthday, identity confirmation, and the account ownership and control. If I hit for account ownership and control, I look for the option that says deactivation or deletion. Choose the account would you like to use the deactivation for. Instead of deleting your account, click for the option that says deactivate account. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things you have shared. Go for continue. And then it says that your Facebook account will be deactivated. You will lose access to the following information. If you're okay with this, let's go and head over for continue. And then lastly, for security reasons, it says please re-enter your passcode in order to continue. So I'm going to go ahead and type my passcode and go for continue. Then it says that the deactivation from your Facebook account will remove your name and photo from the most things you have shared into Facebook. Some information may still be visible to others, such as your name, the friends list, and messages sent. So you choose the option that best suits for yourself. Let's say you have a privacy concern. Depending on the answer that you choose, it might be telling you, of course, a few information about Facebook. Let's say that they are trying to persuade you to keep around here into Facebook. But if you haven't changed your mind, if you're okay with this, let's go ahead and go for continue. Continue using Messenger if you wanted to, and go for deactivate my account. If you don't want to use Messenger, just delete this element and go for deactivate my account. Just like this, your Facebook account will be deactivated in no time. And that will be actually it. Now, if you wanted to activate your account once more, you just need to sign in. To make sure that your Facebook is no longer active, you might be checking out this Facebook element that says that your Facebook account is now been, in this case, deactivated. Now, if you wanted to come back directly here into Facebook, the only thing you need to do is to sign in directly inside here, this element, of course. From Facebook, you sign in and your activation, it will be activated from the deactivation and you're going to be back end. And that will be actually it, guys. If you wanted to keep your chatting, make sure the box for continue using Messenger is checked. You can also choose to opt out of future emails, notification from Facebook while you're away. So if you click into deactivate my account, you'll be logged out instantly and your profile is now visible to the world. So enjoy your break. If this guide helped you guys find some peace and quiet, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully with all the flex being said, we can all see you guys next time. See you soon.